Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys the do's and the don'ts of eyeshadow. I have done this video I think about a year ago. I didn't own a ring light. I didn't own a proper camera to video myself. The whole background was dark. I don't even know how you guys saw the difference between the two. The camera work was so bad, but I'm just so glad that I've grown so much on this channel that I could actually get a ring light, get a proper camera and all of that. So I just wanted to duplicate that video, give you guys more tips, what I've learned over the past year, more insights, more everything on this channel. So I'm just overwhelmed. So if you'd like to see the do's and don'ts of eyeshadow, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, on this side we're going to be doing the do's and on this side we're going to be doing the don'ts. I'm going to be using the exotic palette. I've tried to clean it up, but like this isn't really getting cleaned. So we're going to be using the exotic palette. There's a lot of shades here to play around with. So we're going to be using this palette and yeah, so guys, let's just move forward. So guys, the first thing is that do not prime your eyelids. I generally use a concealer that is like a whitish color tone. You can go in with eyeshadow primers. I have seen the signature primer that has worked well for me. Only thing it's a bit tacky, so you gotta set it. I have been using the Maybelline. I have been using concealer as primer because I feel that it sets a whole lot easier. So what I'm going to do is just go in on the side and prime my eyes. I'm going in with the Essence Cosmetics primer. I'm going to put this all over my eye. And thereafter I'm going to take my beauty blender. This is the beauty blender I use to apply foundation, so it's damp, and just blend that all out. On this side, I'm just going to leave it. All the oils are still there from the morning. And also I've applied my foundation, so that is a bit oily and tacky. So that I'm just going to leave. So guys, the very next step you want to do is go in with a powder that is very similar to the concealer color that you have applied and just set that all in place. So it makes the application very easy. Also, it allows a more smoother effect of the color to be placed onto your eyes. So guys, on this side, I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to apply any color or undertone or anything of that sort. But now what we're going to do is go in with a shade to define the crease. Now, when you're defining a crease, go in with a shade that is slightly darker so that you can define the crease and make it look really neat. So where I'm starting off with is a flat brush, and I'm going to work with just above the crease and into the crease. And I'm going to bring that outward. So as you can see, it's defining the crease. On this side here, I'm going to go in with the wrong brush. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and the exact same color and just work my way here. So what the fluffy brush is doing is that it's not blending everything out, but what it's doing is that it's packing everything. Normally what you do is that you pat onto your eye and thereafter go in with a fluffy brush and blend. So here I'm going to try and blend everything out, but as you can see, it's not blending. So guys, on this side, what I'm going to do is go in with a lighter color tone. So I'm going to go in with this ginger color, tap off the excess, and thereafter just blend that out. So on this side, guys, I'm going in with the ginger color as well, and I'm going to try and blend that out. So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to blend this out and it is definitely not working for me, so I'm just going to leave that there. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is grab your finger and take a bronzish color and just place that in the center. And now we're going to take a flat brush and just smear that everywhere. So guys, on this side, what I'm going to do is use the exact same brush and put it everywhere. So guys, as you can see, I just put this everywhere and it is a whole mess. So the next thing what you want to do is grab in a really thin brush and go in with the exact same color you used on the top and go and do your bottom. So guys, break the tones down. Don't go in with the darker and then blend out. Go in with the lighter color, and now we're going to go in with the darker color and blend everything together. So I'm going in with this brush, taking the two colors together and just working them together. Thereafter, taking the exact same brush, going in with some glitter and bringing it to the front. So guys, on the don't side, what you don't want to do is go in like this with the darker color and drag your eyes. What it does is that it makes your whole eye look droopy, makes you look tired, and it just doesn't look good. Thereafter, go in and get some glitter. I'm using the same brush and blend that in with the eye. Now guys, it's time for the brow bone. I'm going in with a very thin brush and I'm touching onto the brow bone, and then I'm just going to use the same brush and try and blend it out. And then on this side, I'm going to just go in with a tone that is very light but emphasize on the whole look, and go way too much to the front of the brow. So guys, for the final touch up, you want to go in with a lighter color and tackle in the center. Make sure this is a lighter color gold. And thereafter go in on this side with the exact same thing and just put it everywhere. Now that's what we don't want. So guys, these are the differences between the do's and the don'ts. On this side, we have the do's, so it looks like so neat, fresh and clean. On this side, we have the don't. Here, there's too much of oil on the eye. There's no primer, there's no prepping of the eye, there's no coordination, there's no crease that's been defined. Everything is just everywhere and it just like looks like it's been thrown onto the eye. So have a look really close. And on this side, you can see everything is defined, everything is shaped correctly. Here on this side, we've primed the eye. On this side, we've defined the crease. Here we've added a gold. We've corrected the brow bone. The whole entire eye looks seamless and it's blended so well. Here it looks like everything is just thrown onto the eye. So guys, I hope this video was informative. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video.